Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called back order. A back order is an order for a goods or service that cannot be filled at the current time due to lack of available supply. The item may not be held in the company's available inventory but could still be in production, or the company may need to still manufacture more of a product. The back order is an indication that the demand for a company's product outweighs the supply. They may also be known as the company's backlog. The nature of back order and the number of items on the back order will affect the amount of time it takes before the customer eventually receives the ordered items. The higher the number of items back ordered, the higher is the demand for the item based on supply demand ratio. Just because there may lack supply of inventory, that doesn't mean companies can't operate on back order. In fact, companies can still do business even if they don't have inventory on books. Keeping products on the back order helps boost demand, retain and increase customer base, and create value for their products. Advantage of back order could be the term back order may conjure up negative images, but they can be positive to the business that have these orders on the books. Keeping a large supply of stocks require storage space, which in turn requires money. Companies that don't have own storage centers have to pay for the service to hold their inventory. So this is one of the advantage. By keeping a small amount of stock in supply and the rest on back order alleviates the need for excess or extra storage and therefore reduces the cost. Problem with the back order, or if a company consistently see item in back order, this could be taken as a signal that the company's operations are far too lean. It may also mean company is losing out on business by not providing the product demanded by its customer. If a customer sees product on back order and notices this frequently, they may decide to cancel order, forcing the company to issue refunds and readjust their books. Thanks for watching. Bye.